Hi, this is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis and also upload important market-related information. Please do not mind because I do not have any professional fancy setup. Even I do not have a soundproof room also. You'll be hearing background noises as well. So I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my couch. So let's get started. So right now I have Swiss franc Japanese yen chart in front of me right now, and I'm using a 1 hour time frame. So what to do? Okay, so let me zoom out to understand. Okay, we can see that market was in uptrend and after that market came down. It started going up again, but again it's going down again. Okay, so if you want to take a trade today and come out some money in your pocket today itself, then what should be your strategy? Your strategy should be simple. This is very clear to us that this is a resistance zone here. Okay. This particular price zone 117.277 to 117.378, this particular zone is a very strong resistance level right now, and on the other hand we have a strong support also at this price level 116.71 and 116.57. This particular price zone will act as support and is a strong resistance. So right now it is trading at 117.05. Though it is trying to go up, but I will still recommend you not to take any trade right now because see, it may go up till here or but see, but it won't be a risk-free trade. Okay, it won't be a risk-free trade. If you take a position here, suppose market, if market comes down to this particular position and if and it starts going up from particular this level, then this will be a good point to execute a buy signal. uh, Suppose it goes till this particular price level and starts going down from here, you can short the market here. These two price levels will be your best positions to initiate a trade right now. You can also start a trade here also, according to your own personal analysis you can buy and sell, but I'll say that this position is not very concrete. Okay. So if this particular currency pair comes down to this particular price zone and stochastic RSI gives a signal, buy signal, and if you get rejection from below, then yes, you can go ahead and initiate the buy signal. Similarly, if it goes up to this particular resistance level and shows some rejection and stochastic RSI is in position like this in overbought zone, then you can easily short the market. Short here, buy here. This position is not very conclusive. Okay, let's check the market in 1 day time frame also. In 1 day time frame, yes. If you're a trader who wants to take a position for a couple of days, then you can short the market here after seeing some price rejection from above. And if you're someone who wants to buy, then your buy position will be here. This will be your best buy position and this will be your best sell position. If you are a trader who trades on 1 day chart and whose trade lasts for a couple of days. Hopefully you all have understood how to trade Swiss franc and Japanese yen in 1 day chart, as well as if you want to trade Swiss franc and Japanese yen chart today itself. So if you have liked this video and found it informative, please like the video and share your views on comment section, and please subscribe the channel. If you want to learn the art of trading, how to take trades, how to read charts, and how to understand the market psychology, learn different strategies, and you can visit our website to check out our courses. And we also conduct 5 days monthly workshop where we teach you the trading skills, how to read chart patterns, market psychology, and many more. We also provide daily Forex buy and sell signals with more than 80% accuracy for free of cost if you open an account with us. For more information, please visit the website www.avilashhazarika.com, and the link is in the description. Thank you so much.